Welcome back again to the platform Prince TV. If now your first time to come across, all you have to do is to subscribe and make sure you put on your notification bell. Anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first person to be notified, and then you know what this video is all about. Alright, on a promise which I made that anytime we do any video that concerns Reddito the Emergenza, then the questions that will be under the comment section of that particular video will be highlighted with a video like this, coming out with the research and then to answer your questions. You understand? So that is what we are here to do. The video I did, many people who ask questions based on the payment of the Reddito the Emergenza, the questions which are relevant, and then questions who are to be answered. That is why I'm not making this video. So you have to listen and see the questions which you have asked already, and then see how we can respond to your questions. Alright, that is it. So without wasting time, let's kick in with the first question here. We have Blessed Child asking a question. Said, the last 3 months REM, I received him send me message on the 14th around 7 p.m. in the evening, but for the 4 months of REM, I have not yet received any message from him. So this particular person is stating that the last one, they sent him message and they received the money, but this new 4 months of the Reddito the Emergenza, they have not sent you message. So bro, you still have to exercise patience from now till on that 15, and then see if IMS will still send you message for this new 4 months. You understand? So that is the answer to your particular question. Then we have another one again. He said, I received the last 3 months without receiving any messages. You understand? This person, David Michael, answer a question or give out a testimony. This is not a question, this is a testimony, whereby that is the main title of that last video which we did, that those ones who did not receive the message, there are people who are still going to receive the payment. And then which this David Michael testified that the last 3 months he received the payment even without the message. So that is it, is a confirmation then. Alright, now let's still see other question we have here. Another person again still give a testimony, which is Martin Bright. He said, the last 3 months I received all my payments without any message from him. He said, the last 3 months I received all my payments without any message from him. That's another testimony for you to know. Before now, till that 15, say you not receive message, they go still credit you definitely if they did not reject you. So that is it. Now let's still see questions here. We need questions, not testimony anymore. Alright, we have another testimony again. He said, I received my first payment without message. Another person again. So the comment of this particular person here, Cruz Ben, he said, most people they send message to is people that have accounts. If you did not have accounts, don't expect message. I think that is another experience which he had there. Those of you who don't have account, and then I stated this on my live broadcast on Facebook, so you guys can still bear witness. So that is that for that particular comment. Then we have another person here again, Friday Felix. He said, me, him pay me just once in the last 3 emergency. Will they still pay me the other 2 months? That is what you are trying to state them. Now this is the reason why I dropped the IMS number. You can still find it as well on the screen. Now you can call IMS and know if you are to be credited the remaining 2 months of the Reddito Emergenza. So that is it for that particular person who asked that question. Now we have a funny question here. Mary Jenny TV asked this question. He said, sorry to ask, does it mean that the rejection message many people receive before is true? This is a question mark. Of course, there are people who have been rejected for the last 3 months of Reddito the Emergenza. And as well, I have 2 people who called me who said they have been rejected even the new 4 months of the Reddito the Emergenza. So that is it. It is true, Jenny, to know that people are being rejected if you are not qualified. So that is it. Now let me still see other comments here we are having. Let's try to read. Now we have a comment here. This person said here, hello, the Reddito Emergenza for the past 3 months have only received money for IMS for only 2 months, and they haven't paid me for 1 month. what could be the problem and how am I supposed to do in order to get my remaining 1 month payment? Thank you. All right, this particular person who asked this question, Ahmed, you have to call the number of IMS which you are seeing here on board, and then IMS will not tell you the reason why they have not paid you for the remaining 1 month of the Reddito Emergenza. So that is the solution. That is what you just have to do. All right, now let's still go a little bit forward. We have another testimony again, which is Kamara. He said, I received my last 3 months without any message. So you see, many people have testified already. Now let's still go a little bit forward. This particular one is coming from Facebook. This person here, he said here, bros, I am still waiting for message for the new 4 months emergency income now. That is what you have stated so far, that messages are coming from now till on the 15th. You have to exercise patience if you yourself will still receive your own particular message. So that is that for that. I have another funny question again coming from Queen. He said, they just paid me for the last 3 months. Can I still apply for the 4 months own? Now have it in mind that the application date for the new 4 months of the Reddito Emergenza has been expired and then it has passed. You cannot apply again. So that is the answer to your question. Then let's take this last comment here. He said, the CAF called me to come and sign for the Reddito Emergenza. Does that mean they will pay me? Now let me answer this question here as well. That the fact that the CAF call you to come and then apply for the Reddito Emergenza does not mean that it is automatically that they will pay you. The reason why CAF send messages for people to apply, though it is past, this is just a past issue, we are just discussing it or deliberating on it because you cannot go and then apply for it now. But the reason why CAF send those messages is for their own benefit. They see that the first 3 months of Reddito Emergenza, you applied through them. So now when the 4 months came out again, they have to message you so that you can still come there and then they make the application for you. So that is the meaning of that. Even if you receive the 3 months of Reddito Emergenza for the past, and then the CAF now also call you to apply for the new 4 months, and then it happens to be you have started working or start receiving other benefits like Reddito Cittadinanza, even if CAF asks you to come and apply, at the end of the day, IMS will not pay you. So guys, have it in mind that the CAF only have the practical aspects of it to do it and then send direct to the IMS. It is not the CAF who kind of decide the payment. Their own is just to do the practical while they will send it to IMS. So now so it dey be so. Now them to do the practical, they go send go give IMS. Then IMS will decide if they are going to pay you or not. So that is why I told you, if you get speed code, if you have your speed code, you can do all these things yourself and then send direct to IMS. So that is just it. It's a little bit update there. And then I decided to answer your questions. If you like the video, also hit the like button. Very much important. Just hit the like button. That shows how you react on videos, because I came out to answer the few questions that was being asked at the comment section. So that is just it. Till next time again, we'll be together. If you have not subscribed to this platform, this is Prince TV, your host. All you have to do is to subscribe and make sure you put on your notification bell. Share the video. Till next time again. Ciao.